The universe has an edge, a literal end, and the truly annoying part? You can point right at it in every direction at once, and you will never, ever be allowed to visit it. The cosmos basically built a fence around you and refuses to explain why. So today we're going to walk to the edge of everything. We'll find out why it exists, why it's way bigger than the math first suggests, what the wall at the end is actually made of, and the final twist that means the edge isn't even a place at all. Stick around, because the last part genuinely rearranges your brain. Let's start simple. When you look out into space, you're not seeing things as they are. You're seeing light that took time to arrive. The sun you see is 8 minutes old, the nearest star for years old. Look far enough, and you're seeing galaxies as they were billions of years ago. Space is the world's slowest mail service. Now here's the catch. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Light is fast, but it is not infinitely fast. So there's a hard limit on how far away something can be while its light still had enough time to reach us. Past that distance, the light simply hasn't arrived yet. That boundary is the edge of the observable universe. It's not the edge of stuff. It's the edge of news. And just when you think you've got the size pinned down, the universe pulls a fast one. Because the number you're about to guess is wrong by a factor of 3. So the universe is 13.8 billion light years across, right? Wrong. And this is where it gets greedy. While that light was crawling toward you for billions of years, space itself was stretching, dragging those galaxies much farther away. So the actual edge of what we can see sits about 46 billion light years away in every direction. The universe expanded behind the light's back. Rude. So what's actually at that edge? You'd expect a dramatic finale. A wall. A "you must be this tall to ride" sign. And weirdly, there sort of is a wall, and it's made of light. If you look as far as physically possible, you don't hit darkness. You hit a faint glow left over from when the entire universe was a hot fog, about 380,000 years after the Big Bang. We call it the cosmic microwave background. It is the oldest light in existence, and it's hitting your eyeballs right now. You can't see past it because before that point, the universe was too foggy for light to travel at all. The edge isn't a thing. It's a baby photo of everything. Quick gut check before the part that breaks people. Where would you point to find the center of the universe? Picture a direction. Got it? Good. You're about to find out why that instinct is completely, hilariously wrong. Because here's the thing. That edge, it's centered on you. Walk a billion light years that way, and somebody else is standing there convinced that they are the center with their own edge, their own 46 billion light year bubble. Every single point in the universe is the center of its own observable universe, which means there is no center and there is no real edge. The universe is like the surface of a balloon with no rim to fall off. You're not near the edge. You're not far from it. The question barely makes sense, and the universe finds your confusion hilarious. So is there more past our bubble? Almost certainly yes. Probably way, way more, possibly infinite. There are entire galaxies out there right now, full of stars, maybe full of someone that we will never see. Not because our telescopes are bad, because their light will never reach us. Ever. And here's the gut punch finale. Space isn't just expanding. It's expanding faster and faster. The distant galaxies are racing away, and many are now receding faster than their light can travel toward us. One by one, over cosmic time, they're slipping past a point of no return and winking out of our reach forever. The edge isn't a wall you could drive to. It's a closing door. The universe is very slowly hiding itself, and we got front row seats to the part before it goes dark. So no, you can't visit the edge of the universe. It's not a place. It's a deadline, made of ancient light, centered on you, quietly shrinking the list of things you're even allowed to know about. The cosmos built a fence around you, called it physics, and walked away whistling. And somewhere out there, a galaxy you'll never meet is sending you a message that will never, ever arrive.